Matty Healy, the talented frontman of the 1975, has long been captivated by typewriters. Even before Taylor Swift made mention of it on the Tortured Poets department, Healy, 35, expressed his passion for these vintage writing tools. In a resurfaced interview from GQ in 2018, he revealed that typewriters were among the 10 items he couldn't live without. Although he admitted not having one at the moment due to practicality, Healy explained that the element of commitment associated with typing on a typewriter fascinated him. Not only did he find that using a typewriter enhanced his concentration, but he also carried a notebook to jot down his thoughts whenever inspiration struck. The journal he carried was filled with tales of his dreams of being in love with other pop stars. Swift's recent release, TTPD, surprised fans with its heartfelt songs about her relationship with the British singer. In the eponymous track believed to be referencing Healy, Swift reminisces about a former lover leaving his typewriter in her home. She playfully questions the practicality of typewriters in the opening verse, yet expresses her enduring affection for Healy throughout the song. Theirs is a storied connection, with rumors of their relationship first surfacing in 2014 when they were seen wearing each other's merchandise. Swift frequently attended the 1975 concerts to support Healy and his band, although neither confirmed the romance at the time. After Swift's breakup from Joe Alwyn in 2023, speculation arose again when Healy was spotted at multiple shows during her Eras tour in April of that year. However, JAGA News confirmed shortly after that the two had gone their separate ways. Swift soon moved on with her current boyfriend, Travis Kelce. Despite the split, a source exclusively told us that Healy and his family were delighted with how Swift's latest record turned out, as they had feared she would vilify him. Having struggled with the challenges of fame, Healy has been doing well, and the family didn't want Swift's fans to view him negatively.